Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving the CSIR NET 2024 June questions. So, this question is our from group theory, rather the symmetry group option. So, which of the following numbers are order of some element of the symmetry group S5? So, the options are what? My 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as we know that our S5 is what? S5 is the permutation group of 5 elements. That is my A, B, C, D and E. Yeah. So all the permutations of this will be inside of S5. So for the order of 3, we will get the element like, yeah, that will be my of order 3. So now what will be my order 4 element? That will be my A, B, C, D, which will be my order 4. And now, what will be my our order 5 element? That will also remain here. That is this thing, which is of my order 5. Now, we have to find the element of order 6. Then, for making our order 6, we can do another thing, that our 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So, if we take the element of order 2 and order 3 here, the composition of that will give my order 6 element. So our order 6 element will be what? That will be my AB and CD. So our all of the options in this question are my correct ones. Yeah. This is for my order 3, this is for my order 4, this is for my order 5 case, and this is for my order 6 case. Hope you understood, guys. This is a very easy question. Thank you, guys.